Yes, I'm gonna have that in the description. If you want, you can look up how to install Sony Vegas for free, because technically it is illegal. I don't condone getting stuff illegally, but times are rough. I understand. So yeah, let's open up Sony Vegas Pro 9. It's a custom version, like I said. Oh, sorry, I was working on something here. Uh-oh, okay. Yeah. So yeah, just go import media and look for your file. I have mine in HD captures. So yeah, and here it is right here. And there you go. You see? It takes it as is, and I'm pretty sure that you would got an error or something like that, and it would have taken you forever to do. So what you do is just drag it. Now, if you notice, I don't know if you can notice, but right here you can see like a little blackness. Not sure if you can see it in this, but there is blackness there because this records for some reason like a ratio bigger than what it's supposed to be. So what you're gonna do is go press this one right here, vent pan crop. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna well, zoom out a little bit. You're gonna go and zoom in. You see the black spot right here? It's like a little tiny black spot. What you're gonna do is hold control and then move this a little bit over, so that way the black spot is not there anymore. Yep. Well, first you're gonna have to wanna put maintain aspect ratio. Press that first before you do anything. Yeah, you're gonna want to do that. And I think that's, oh no, and there's a little bit on the bottom as well. Let me show you. You can already see it. Let me just move it a little bit. Okay. Crap. Right there should be good, hopefully. Okay, you can see it right there. It's a little bit. Press control and zoom it in a little bit. And there you go. Alright, and there you go. It's gonna fit perfectly once you do that. You can fit it however you like. I'm not just saying you have to do this, but it's recommended that you move it in a little bit so that way it fits perfectly. So yeah, after that you're gonna want to go to video effects, go to brightness and contrast, and you could press reset to none. You could put that. I already have a preset on what I use is gameplay contrast fix. That makes it brighter so that way it's not too dark and you can see everything. You can pause the video right here, copy these settings in. For brightness is 0.03, for contrast it's 0.05, and for contrast center it's 0.50. So you can use that. That's what I use, at least. Now you can pretty much leave it right here, but for me, when I edit, I like to make it slightly sharper. So I would bring in, well, you could put reset to none for now, and you could also save that brightness contrast too. I recommend you save it. I already have a preset YouTube sharp, so this sharpness that I add to it, it is 0.125. So yeah, that's the amount of sharpness I add to the video, and then you're pretty much done. Other than the the other settings you want to add to it, this is my recommended settings if you just want to get the best quality out of it. Then you go to render. Now I save my videos as a Windows Media video. You can save it as well as as a file you want. I mean, a lot of people say MP4 is the best, or QuickTime, or whatever floats your boat. But I choose Windows Media Video. For me, it's the best for me. So for this and the audio, you could just include audio if it's not checked. constant bit rate, Windows Media Audio 9.2, and 128 kilobits per second, 44 kilohertz, stereo AV CBR. Get that there. CBR, Windows Media Video 9, high definition 1280 by 720p. Leave this there. 30 frames per second. That's gonna say 29 point whatever. Just leave it at 30, and 3 keeps frames per second. Override default compression buffer 8 seconds. Put this at all the way the sharpest bit rate. You could select that, but I think that's already selected. And of course, leave this at best. So okay, and this is my settings. I'm not gonna render it now because I don't need to. I'm just showing you what you have to do, and these are my settings. Oh, I forgot, you have to do this too in the beginning. Yes, this is my settings in the beginning. I forgot to tell you this. You wanna click which one is it? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I think it's this one, HD 720, this one. Really the only thing you want to change in this is just 30. I think that's probably the only thing you change. Leave that there, leave that, leave that, leave that, leave that. Oh, and one thing I forgot to tell you, apply. Right click when you get in the video, right click, click properties, and click disable resample. That'll keep the video from making those copies sometimes. You know how it like when you slow-mo a video, it goes like it looks like double whatever. Yeah, that's that will get rid of that in your video, so it's like smooth sailing. At least that's what I like. So yep, this has been your tutorial. I hope I've helped you a lot, because I know I went through hell trying to get through this, and every time somebody tried to help me, I just ended up wanting more. So yeah, this will help you, and if you want to add more, you can, of course, because it's your video. But I'm just trying to give you the right steps into getting the perfect quality of your liking. This has been a tutorial from Latin Mafia. I will see you guys next time.